Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add animated text in Elementor. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to install plugin. So let's search in here for Essential Elementor. And then once you have done this, let's head over and search for this one. You should be able to see in here some search results, which is this Essential Add-ons for Elementor. So head over and click on this. And then from in there, click on this install and activate in order to successfully install and activate this particular plugin to your WordPress website. And now as you can see, essential add-ons has been added. So what we can do in this case is we can head over to any pages that we want to actually edit. So here's our page. Let's click on this edit with Elementor right here in order to edit this particular page. Now in here, let's head over and click on some icons, which is this plus icon right here in order to add a container. Now, once we have added in here a container, we can head over and click on this widget icon. Then search in here for widget, which is called fancy text. Now we have this, so let's actually add this right here. And then once it's been added, let's put in here a prefix text as well as the first string, second string, and also the third string. So for example, let's put in here a good. And then let's add in here a first string, pretty. And then in here, let's add in here as well as second string, gorge. And then on the third string, let's add in here fab. You can also add some other items right here. And then the suffix text will be in here, face. So as you can see, it will actually make this animated just like this one. And you can see how it looks like right now. Now you can also change the fancy text settings as well. You can use the style 1 or as well as the style 2, but the style 2 is only available to the pro version. Now you can change the animation type. It can be a fade. It can also be in here for the fade down, zoom as well, bounce, or swing. It totally depends on you which one you want for this case, but once you're done with everything, click on this update option and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.